I have a 2017 Ford Expedition powered running boards, and these running boards are supposed to go up and down as you open and close the door. However, you can hear the motor starting to try to move the running board, but it doesn't. It encounters resistance, and so it immediately stops. Usually the problem is these hinges get rusty and need to be cleaned up. So that's what we're going to try to do. We can see here that there's a multi-point hinge, and I'm going to start by first using a wire brush to clean as much as I can, and then we'll hit it with some penetrating spray. Do the other side as well. That one isn't working either. I'll just hit some compressed air. See if I can. Just use your favorite penetrating oil and have at it. Really need to get in there. Don't forget to do the ones up top. Helpful to put a piece of cardboard so you don't stay in your driveway. I'll let that sit just a second. I'm going to move to the front one, and I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. Okay, it's been sitting a bit. Let's see if it has helped any. Nope. I'm going to try to help it up. other side. Promising. Okay. Not bad. Right. Well, now that it's up, I'm going to spray it again since the hinges are in a slightly different spot. Right? I don't know. That makes sense. Oh, almost. Out. All right, I'm going to let the PB Blaster continue to soak for a little bit, and then I'm going to come back, spray it again, open and close the door, have it come up and down as many times as I can. Oh, so close. I think on the way down, gravity helps it. So the motor seems fine. All right, we'll be back. All right, I've let it sit for quite a bit. I've also given up on trying to protect the driveway. After letting it sit, and I used about a half a can of PB Blaster, I had to run out, get some more. This time I actually have the little straw, which is going to make it easier to get in there. But I mean, it's already so much better. The fact that it even moves. Still a little slow coming up. The other side works much better. So what I'm going to do is hit it again with the PB Blaster and just keep soaking it. Again, all around. Okay, I think I'm going to call this one fixed. Knowing that just by hitting it with some lubricant and the PB Blaster quite a bit actually fixed the problem. What I will do is over the course of the next week or two, hit it a few more times and just keep at it. But I think now this works. A couple times I've had it pause, right? You can see it comes up and it just pauses a little bit. I think there's still a little bit of a tight spot. But I think we're going to call this done. If I can fix it, so can you.